Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on this Nissan Murano 2007 model. The customer came in with a complaint saying the temperature gauge is not working, so I removed this instrument panel yesterday, so trying to find out what the problem was. So to remove the panel you need to remove these things over here. You have some screws. It's self-guided anyway. That's the fuse box. Then once you're done removing this, you'll find two 10mm bolts. One sits here and the other one this side. One sits here. These are the two bolts that hold the instrument panel. Then once it's out, you have two screws. One behind, one is here and the other one sits here. Then those are out. All you do is pull out the top cover. And once the top cover is out, you have two other screws. One is situated here and the other one here. So once those two are removed, you can easily pull out the panel. I don't need this, you put it aside. Okay, so basically what I've done so far, I've checked all the fuses, they're okay. I tried to replace the temperature sensor with another one. It did not work, so I decided to remove this and show you what I found. So behind here there are 4 motors. So this is a motor, this is a motor, this is a motor, and this one. So this one is for the ref counter, this one is for the speedometer, this is for the temperature gauge, and this one is for the fuel gauge. So how do you test these motors? If I show you closer here, you have these small terminals, these ones. Try to zoom in. This one, this one, this one here, and this one the other side. So the way they move, the way they correspond, if you get a multimeter, you put on this terminal and this one, they should give you a reading, resistance, and then this one and this one should also give you a resistance. These two will not, but these opposite ones will give you a resistance. The same with this one. These two will give you a resistance, these two give you a resistance. These two will not, and these two will not. So they move like opposite, like this. This one and this one. The same with the temperature, this and this. This one also, this and this, like that. So now, let me just try to test and show you what I found. So I have my very old multimeter here, but still works fine. So you put it on 20K. So hope I'll be able to do it with one hand, so you can see. Okay, this is my modified multimeter. Hope you won't mind, as long as we get the job done. Okay, there's some continuity there. So let's start with the temperature. So if I put my probe over here and the other one over here, here, so you get this 0.23 reading. If I do it on the other side, this one and this one, there you have a reading. So that's what you do for all the 4. So when I come to this one, which has the problem, the one for the temperature. I put my probe here, another on this side, like this. There's totally nothing. The same with the other side. There is nothing. So, upon further investigations, I found that this thing has got very tiny cables. Let me try to zoom in and see. I'm sure you'll be able to see. Yeah, these very small cables. If you see this post, there is this small line here. So that's the cable, or that's the wire. The same as this side. This one, this is the post, this is the wire. So these two wires are okay. They're sitting, they are welded, they are soldered properly. But then when I turn it this side, I found that these two are not soldered, or they are cut. I don't know, maybe someone's trying to work on it, so the cables came out. So if I do this, see there, this one is out, the same as the other on this side. So let me solder them quickly, then we put the cluster on the car, and then see if the temperature gauge is going to rise. So this client drove over 300 kilometers, but the temperature was just here. Let's see, below C actually. So let me get back after soldering. So before coming back to the other video, please subscribe, leave a comment, you can like my page, you can follow it, so you can have updates on new videos. Thank you so much. Just hold on, I'll come back later.